morning, so it's day 13 today.
Unlucky for some.
Lucky for us. Lucky for Claire, because we're starting off with Ben Yave. And then after that, we're going to go Hollywood Studios and we're going to ride some rides there. And then tonight we've got food at Ohana, which makes me a happy bunny. So that's the plan. So we're at Hollywood Studios. We're going to do a couple of the shows first. So we're going to try Muppets 4D.
Frozen sing-along.
Frozen sing-along. So then we'll try a couple of the rides later on in the day after we got the stuff done for Mum. Because you're not going to go on Rock and Roller, are you? No, she's not, unfortunately. Fun, because we haven't had enough of that already. Look at the little Mickey chairs. You want a little Mickey chair?
Will you put a little Mickey decal on the back of my desk chair?
Maybe. If you're a good girl. There you go, you've had your vacation fun now. Time to go home. Yeah. Now I know you've spent the last week and a half with a couple of Muppets, but we thought we'd take you to see them in 3D.
Okay.
So we've come to Frozen, haven't we?
Frozen sing-along.
Frozen sing-along. Are you ready to sing along with her?
I'll do my best, yeah.
We've got front and centre because of Mum's portable chair, should we call it?
Yeah, that's better, portable chair.
Portable chair, yeah. So if you're not singing, they'll know.
I just got to go like that and they won't know whether I'm singing.
I'll tell them if you don't sing. Oh, you're going to sing, Mum? Sing. Bees will buzz. Something about dandelion fuzz. And I'll be finding out what Frozen things do in summer. I mean, I probably got that wrong, but it's close enough.
Let it go, let it go. Let it go, let it go.
Ready, Mum?
Elsa?
Are you ready?
Do you wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. Let it go, let it go. The way it's let go. The cold never bothered me anyway.
You enjoy that?
Very good snow.
Good.
Yes.
Did you sing?
Yes.
Next stop, Batu. And we're going to do Smuggler's Run.
As the sun sets over Batu.
two things.
My side of the ship was engineered 100% perfect.
So we're pretty much all done here. We're going to go and get a closer look at the Tower of Terror, all lit up so Mum can have a look. And then we're going to head over to the Polynesian and have food at Ohana and some drinks.
What you've been looking forward to all holidays?
I have
what
been
you've been looking forward to since the last
I've been looking
holiday?
forward to for like 3 months since last time, yeah. What do you think of the Tower of Terror?
It's terrifying. Very colourful.
Yes, very iridescent. You mean you don't want to ride it?
Not really, no.
Okay, I guess we can let you off with it. We're going to do the Tower of Terror quickly while
Because I
Mum
love
waits.
it and I hate it.
Because it's Claire's favourite.
And I hate it the most.
The mostest.
The most.
While we wait for your elevator to arrive, your seatbelt straps on your left, your buckles on your right.
And a friendly word of warning, something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
We've arrived at the Polynesian just in time for the fireworks.
Where's the end?
In the distance. How's your broccolini and rice?
About to be made better by chicken wing.
So you got a little special guinea pig.
Chef
dessert?
special friend.
Because you're a guinea pig?
I'm chef special
That's
friend.
a gluten-free.
I don't want to be called guinea pig, I want to be called chef special friend.
We have some bread pudding with it.